Well, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I made some videos and stuff, so bear with me. Also kind of excuse the lighting in here. It's really not made for doing videos. I am a subscriber to Louisiana Tractor Works and Projects, I think is their full name there. John over in Louisiana. And he had been running a contest for a gift card, for some gift cards. And so anyway, I entered the contest, and the second drawing of his contest, I was lucky enough to win. And so I really appreciate that, John. If you are watching, you don't know how much that means to us. Poormans DIY is not named that for the reason of trying to do things on the cheap. It is named that because we are officially poor under the guidelines of the federal government, because of what we make on our Social Security, which isn't that much. So like I said, when I won that from John, I was really appreciative of it, and it got me to thinking, even though I don't have a lot of money, I really don't have any money I can give away, but I do have some other stuff, and it might not be the best in the world, but it is what it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. I've got a lot of seeds. Now, they come back from 2018, 2017 era. We keep seeds that we don't use in our freezer. So I've had a lot of unopened packs of seeds because my wife went nuts one time, and back then before I had my congestive heart failure, and bought a bunch of seeds up. So I had all these seeds, and I've been using using them since then and stuff. But these are just packs we've never opened. So I've come to the conclusion I got a choice: either throwing them away or giving them away. So what am I doing? I'm going to give them away. So we're going to do 4 people are going to be able to win packs of seeds, and it's about 11 or 12 packs, I don't remember that. A variety of stuff, cucumbers, tomatoes, I think there's some lettuce in there, string beans, and then I know for a fact that each one of them has a pack of seeds that we harvested from our white patty pan squash that we grew last year. And so there's some of those in there. So we're going to be giving away. So it doesn't cost anything to enter. All you got to do is, in this video, I'm going to kind of follow John's doing this video. In this video, down in the link, in the comments below, you have to put in, I want seeds. All right, I want seeds. Put that in the comments. You have to be a subscriber to my channel and publicly subscribe, so when I look to see if you're subscribed to my channel, your name is in there from your channel. And like I said, these will be 4 deals. We're going to do them. I'm not going to do 4 different videos and stuff because I know in a lot of areas we're getting really close to the growing season, and we need to get this stuff going. In fact, I just put a lot of my seeds and my starter stuff yesterday, and I had bought the Burpees Sure seeds. I was trying to get them last year, but nobody could figure out what the heck I was talking about. So I found some at Tractor Supply. I'll go over them. I kind of like them. I really like them. I didn't use potting soil or seed starting soil in them this time because I had some rock wool 1x1 cubes, and I threw those in there. Anyway, subject for another video. We'll go over that kind of stuff. So anyway, like I said, back to this contest. In the comments below, put I want seeds. All right? And then make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your subscriptions are made public where I can find them. I'll put a link in the video in the comments down below that will show you how to make your subscription list public if you don't know how. This will be one drawing. We're going to draw 4 names during that drawing. And then we will mail these seeds out. So you have to put I Want Seeds. You have to be publicly subscribed to my channel here, the Poormans DIY channel. And the other requirement is you must reside in the continental 48, the lower 48. All right? Not Alaska, not Hawaii, not some other country. Okay? What happens is we get out of this lower 48 thing, then we run into some agricultural issues, and if we're mailing seeds around and whatever else, could get in some custom issues if it's going over to another part of the country and stuff. I'm not going to get into that. I'm not paying all that money to send that off, but I can't afford to send out these packages of seeds. Like I said, 11 or 12 packs, can't remember, and there'll be a variety in there. Not everybody's going to get the same thing, but they are going to get pretty close to the same stuff. You may not all have the same type of tomatoes or whatever. It is what it is. Like I said, I had these seeds, I'm not going to use them. I've had them in the freezer. I drug them out to do my planting this year, and I did what I was going to do, and these seeds I've had, I'm not going to use them. So before they go to waste, I'm going to send them out, and hopefully they'll be of some use to some people out there. So anyway, appreciate everybody that has subscribed to me. And if you haven't and you want to be in this contest, subscribe. Make your your subscriptions publicly visible. Put I Want Seeds in the comments down below to be entered in there. And then we will run this. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and do it. Run the deal the Friday before Valentine's Day. Okay? So that's probably what I'm going to do. That gives enough people time to enter the contest, do whatever else to find the video. They're going to know a lot of people hadn't been coming to my channel here lately because I haven't put a lot up, so I want to give them some chances to do that. So anyway, subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, click that subscription button, hit the little bell so you're notified and stuff, because we're going to be doing a lot of gardening this year, hopefully. I've got to redo the electrical on the house, so I'll be doing some videos on that. And then most of the videos for all the stuff behind me is going on another channel that I've got. And so I'll put a link to that. There's hardly anything on it right now. But I'll probably include to where you can watch some of the videos I do that off of this channel as well. So this is my little retirement side business going on back here. So hopefully we can get it to where we're not always broke. It took me a long time to gather all the stuff up back there. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. Check you on the flip side. And hopefully you win some seeds. It's all free. Thank you very much, and until the next video.